Cogswell Condenser, manufactured by the Alden-Napier Manufacturing Company of Springfield, Massachusetts. This is a variable capacitor. Actually, it's 3 independent variable capacitors. This would have been used in that decade between 1925 and 1935 for tuned radio frequency receivers. Those primitive receivers often had 3 amplification stages, requiring the user to adjust the tuning for each stage. The superheterodyne receiver with its single knob tuning made these devices obsolete. We can credit that invention to Major Edwin Armstrong, I believe in 1918. That may be the reason that this device is in such good shape. In fact, I don't believe it was ever used, because if we look, there is no solder residue on any of the connections. Here's a close-up of the tuning dial. You can see that age has not been good to the paper. But just remember that these receivers would have been hard to use because the user would have needed to remember 3 numbers. For example, 40, 50, and then maybe 65 to tune in their favorite radio station. This is a close-up of the tuning bezel. You can just make out NA for Napier and ALD for Alden. And I believe it says patent there. There's a lightning bolts with a speaker on top of the world. And then we can see 2 transmitting antennas on either side. With symbols of music on the top.